Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I'll show you a complete overview of the buttons and ports on the Samsung Galaxy S26 phone. Let's start from the top of our phone. When you turn it over, you can see two small holes and a little line. Let's maybe start with that little line. This is the antenna of our phone, located right here. That's exactly what they look like. They're on every phone. And on this phone, there will be even more of them. As for those two small holes, one of them is an auxiliary microphone for noise reduction during recordings or calls. For instance, if the wind is blowing, this microphone immediately captures those sounds. It then transmits a specific counter-frequency signal that neutralizes them within our phone's system, and thanks to that, you won't hear the background noise. Only the words we say are clearly heard. The second hole here is the one used to equalize the pressure inside our phone's casing. This comes in handy when we submerge our phone to take it with us underwater. That's when one of these holes is used to equalize the pressure inside the casing. Thanks to this, the phone is more waterproof. When we carefully turn the phone over to our right side, actually specifically to the left side so that the right physical frame is facing on top, we can clearly see another antenna positioned right here at the very top, and there is also a similar antenna located at the very bottom of our phone. Slightly further up the side of the device, just below the area where the antennas are located, or rather just below the single antenna, you will find the dedicated volume up and down buttons. And then, directly below those, you can see the main power button. As for these buttons, we can also of course use them to operate in our recovery menu, that is, in recovery mode. We use these buttons to navigate up and down, while this button is used to select and confirm the appropriate options, for example, to reset to factory settings. When we turn our phone to the other side, we will see the antenna at the top, but there won't be one at the bottom. There is no antenna here? None at all. And this is primarily because if we carefully turn our phone upside down, right in this specific spot is the integrated stylus for our phone. When we gently press it, we can easily take out the stylus and use it to precisely control our phone. We can use it to draw detailed sketches and take quick notes, or simply tap on various different things on our screen with much more accuracy than using a finger. This tool makes navigating the entire interface a much smoother and more enjoyable experience for every user. And because the stylus is here, there's no room for an antenna. Next, we see the speaker. Oh, and of course the antenna next to it. We also see the speaker of our phone here. We also see a USB Type-C port for charging the phone, transferring files, or sending video, for example, to AR glasses or to our monitor. Right here, we have a high-speed USB 3.2 port, and it fully supports fast charging at a powerful 60 watts. This means we can very quickly charge up our smartphone. Reaching a battery level of about 75% should only take you around 30 minutes of time. It is a very efficient way to keep your devices powered up throughout the day. So fast charging. Next, we have a regular microphone, which is simply used for capturing our voice, not just for noise cancellation, but specifically for capturing sound. That's why it's located at the bottom. We also have a SIM card slot here. We can open it, press it in, and here we can see SIM card 1 and on the other side, SIM card 2. We can have dual SIM, two physical cards in this phone. And of course, we also have the antenna here as the last element on this edge of the frame, right in this spot. As for really the front of the phone, you'll find it right here, in this spot. I'm not sure if you can see it. Now you can see it a little better. Located right here, of course, is the integrated speaker, which is the essential component that allows us to clearly make and receive phone calls. If you found that this specific video was helpful or informative to you today, please consider taking a moment to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now.